Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making crescent rolls with the hot dogs. Let's open this. Okay. You're going to want to take it out really carefully. Now I'm going to put this over here. Like that. And we're going to slowly unroll them. Unroll it. So, I'll be back once I finish unrolling this. Okay guys, so I'm back. I unrolled it and I'm gonna show you how I make it because I started to do it. So you cut your hot dog in half and then you start rolling it towards the point like a pizza. And then you put it right here. Okay, and then you get this, so you hold the pizza the other way, so then you go to the crust side, you can say, I guess. And then you roll it forward, and that's how you do it. So now we're gonna cook it in our air fryer. Make sure you leave a bit of space, just a little bit. And like that. And now we're gonna put it in our air fryer. For 15 minutes. So I'll be back once they're all done cooking. Bye! Okay guys, so we have a minute. I'm just gonna take them out. So let's take these out. They look so good. They also look so puffy. Okay, that's turning off. It's really loud. So now I'm gonna try one. It's really good for like a little snack. I recommend it like for an after school snack, you can say. So comment down below what you want me to do next. Subscribe and this was notifications I give this video. Huge thumbs up. Bye. See you in my next video.